how to use Access. So I'm using Access 2013 and be learning how to create a database, how to create tables, forms, reports, and queries. So I'm just going to click blank database, desktop database, because that's what we are going to do. We are going to start from scratch. So click that, and then we are going to change this. So let's create an airport database. So I'm going to type here airport database. So basically the database is just create it once. So I'm going to click that to browse where I'm going to save my database. I'm just going to save it here, the desktop, in the folder. Let's see, I can create one here. Say call this Access series. Access series. I hope you don't mind that my computer is making a lot of background noise. Just bear it. So we are going to open that. I'm going to say OK to save our folder, our database there. So database is basically a collection of related data items. So then I'm going to click create there. And so I'm going to give it a moment. We have our airport database there, saved in our Access series. You can see the whole root where our file is located in the desktop in a folder called Access series. So it opens, basically opens a table for us. So I'm going to close this and start from my own scratch. So I'm going to go to create, then table design. This is where we design our table. So we're going to have an ID field. So I'm going to create a table called pilot table. So I'm going to have an ID for the pilot, which will be a little number. So this one will always be our first field in most cases. Then we have our first name. So I'm going to use camel case, whereby the first letter is capital, then the others are small, but the names are combined. So first name there, this should be short text. You can put field size to 20 instead of 10. Second name, same thing with the short text there. Gender, so gender should be male or female. So I'm going to click this drop down box, lookup wizard there, and here I'm going to type my values. So I'm going to choose the second option, click next. Here I'm going to type gender or male and female, or you can also say rather not say. So you can have the option for gender there. So then you're going to have this one as our label. So I'm going to limit this to list. So we are going to have only 3 values. I'm not going to allow any more 2 values. So then click finish. You see that nothing has changed here, but if you come here to look up, you can see that in our row source we have 3 values, male, female, and whatever your field is rather not say. So I'm going also to add another field called airplane ID. Airplane ID. So each pilot will be riding or will be flying an airplane. So we need that. So this one will be our foreign key. So I'm going to put this as number. So then I can drag this. It should be the second field. So this one is our primary key. So I'm going to come to design tab and choose that primary key there. So basically let's have that as our pilot table. So let's save this. I'm going to control S there, save this as pilots table. So I'm going to put a space now, and like the fields where I put comment case, make sure like separating the name of the field and the name plane. So I'm going to have that as a our first table there as pilot table. So I'm going to see you in the next video. I'll be creating airplane table and passengers table. So we'll have 3 tables for airports. So it's basically an intro video, so there's no more details, no a lot of details. So I hope you'll enjoy it, so that you can learn how to do how to operate or how to work with access. Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button.